Hello guys, in this video we are going to see how we can create a free domain by using GitHub Student Developer Pack. So in this video we are going to see how we can create a free domain and it is also secured. So for this you should already have a GitHub Student Developer Pack, and if you don't know how to create GitHub Student Developer Pack for free, then stay tuned with my channel, and soon I'm going to post a video on how to create GitHub Student Developer Pack for free. uh, First of all, this is my Instagram ID. You can message me here if you have any query or any doubts or any problems. You can easily message me here. And this is my Telegram channel. You can join here. Here I post latest information about my channel, and here in Instagram you can message me if you have any query. So let's start the video. Now I am going to create a domain for free. So let's start the process. So first of all, I'm going to open my browser. So I have already logged in and this is my account, and I have GitHub Student Developer Pack activated. So if you don't know how to create this, then stay tuned with my channel. Soon I am going to post a video on how to create GitHub Student Developer Pack for free. So there are many offers or many features available in GitHub Student Developer Pack. So you can use any one. Like you can see here, you can get a free domain by using this site, name.com or .tech domains. So there are many features. You can also get Microsoft Azure for free, and so here you can see there are many features and benefits are there with GitHub Student Developer Pack. So I'm going to use this name.com to create my domain, and I will be using this domain to host my website, and soon I'm going to post that website in my YouTube channel, so you can access any information from that website. So let's create a domain over here. So here you can see this is a basic description about name.com, and here the benefit you can see: build your online presence with a free .live domain and a free privacy protection and free SSL certificate. So it is providing .live domain for free. So let's click here to connect your GitHub account to the name.com website. So this website is open now. Now here you can see domain name 1 year registration. These domains names are provided for 1 year, and let's just click here login with GitHub. So here you can see authorize name.com education pack. So here we will just click here authorize name.com. We can give access to this name.com by just clicking here authorize name.com. Just click here. Okay, so our GitHub student is connected to this name.com website. So here you can see free domain name. Now we will just search our domain name, like I'm going with this. Now just click here search. So after searching this, I have given this name for my domain. So just click search. So here you can see there are various domains over here. You can select any domain you want. So here I'm going with this domain name byteideas.live. So now just click here add to cart. Here you can see it is 0 rupees. So click here add to cart, and now just click here checkout. So here it is providing 1 month free cloud hosting, so you can just skip it. Just click here no thanks, proceed to checkout. So here you can see byteideas.live duration is 1 year, and privacy and protection is provided by this site, and the price is free. So here it is providing it is some additional offerings also. We will just neglect it. So now we will just click here, next step, login. So here we need to create an account because we don't have an account. We will just create an account. If you have an account, you can just log in over here, enter our username. Like I am going to enter this name as my username, and let us create a password over here. We have to create a strong password. So after creating the password, you can enter your name. Like I am going to enter my name, and organization, and here organization you can enter, like I am entering this one. And phone number, you can enter your own phone number. I am going to enter my own phone number, or you can there is no verification over here of phone number, so you can enter your own. So after entering the phone number, you can enter your email. So you must give your original email, don't give any fake email over here. So I am going to give my original email over here. So just give your own email. So after giving the email, you can enter your address. You can give your own address. So let me give my address. So select your country from here. So I am from India, so I am going to select India, and enter your city, state, province, this everything. So I am skipping this part. So just enter this address, everything, then just click create my account. So I am going to enter my address. Now after I enter everything, now just click here create my account. Just check this box, and you can uncheck this box. Now just click create my account. So here you can see we will get this domain for 1 year, and this is free of cost. And here you can see total cost is 0 rupees. And now you can just click here next step, payment. So here you have to enter your debit card or credit card, or you can just select this option for Google Pay. This option is only available in India, I think. So this option you can select, or you can just select this option. Later you can remove this card to avoid automatic billing. So now the total cost is 0, so we will add our credit card, and after that we will just click here complete the order. So let me add my credit card and come back to you. So after entering the card details, you can just check these 2 boxes. So I have entered the card details and just check these 2 boxes, and now just click complete order. So you can see our order is completed. Now we have to verify our this information. So you have to verify. This is an by default, and this is a necessary process you have to do. So we will just verify with email. So just click here get verification code. This is a must do process. So verification code we have to enter, which we have received in our Gmail. So let me check my Gmail. So I am checking this Gmail in my mobile, so I am not opening in this desktop. So I will enter the verification code over here. And now just click here, verify. So our verification is successful. Now just you can refresh the page. And one more thing, while adding the card, you should it is recommended you should use a Visa card or MasterCard, because any other cards might not be accepted by the website. So you should use either Visa or MasterCard. That will be good to create this domain. And now just refresh the page. So in your Gmail you will be receiving order summary, which contains your domain details like order ID and payment method, everything. So you should check your email, and you can see our order is successful. And we can also create a business email for free, and it will be free for 30 days, and later it will be charged 2000 rupees per year. And now just check my products. So here you can see these are all activated with our domain. You can also create your free website with Wix, and it is always free. So now just click here, my domains. So here you can see expiration is 29 December 2024, and the renewal is on. You can just turn it off to avoid the charges. And now just click here and just go to billing, and from here you can just check for your card. So here you can see automatic renewal is disabled. So after giving the card also we do not have any automatic renewal, so our no money will be deducted automatically from our card, so it is safe. And you can also add new card to turn on automatic renewals. So, and you can just give your Visa or MasterCard, then no card will be added to your account, just for verification purpose it is asking, and no card will be added to your account. Here you can see no card is present in your account, and automatic renewal is also disabled. So here you can see all your domains, and now just click here these three dots and click here manage domain, and from here you just turn it off. I have turned it off already, so just turn it off, automatic renewal. Then your automatic renewal will be stopped, and you can check here from domain list, the renewal is off. It means after 1 year it cannot be renewed, and if you want to renew, then you can just click this renew button. It will automatically be renewed. So if you don't know how to create this GitHub Student Developer Pack, then stay tuned with my YouTube channel, and soon I'm going to post a video on how to create this GitHub Student Developer Pack. So we'll see you in the next video. Thank you.